Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my little part. Welcome to my little part. Today I want to make the easy toys from the cheap ingredients. You can find the ingredients for the little store. It's so near from your home or your budding house.
How about?
Okay, today I want to make tutorial how to make bubbles from the soap. It's easy toys. Can you try in your house? You can try this one to make your children, your cousin, or your uncle, your father, your auntie happy, because this is so easy and so cheap. Okay, I wanna give you the reason why I will make this one. I have the story because I looked the child before. He looked his friend or their friend like they play the bubbles, but he cannot play the bubbles because the bubbles is so expensive. It's like 15,000 until 20,000, and it's so awful for me to look them. That's why I want to make this tutorial how to make bubbles from the cheap ingredients. Okay, I want to tell you about the ingredient first. First ingredient is soap. You can choose the soap like shampoo or another soap, but today I choose soap for wash dishes. It's so cheap. It's just 2,000. Just 2,000. Yeah. The name is Sunlight. Please endorse me. And the next ingredient is water. The water is so cheap too. If you buy this one in the store, it's just 3,000, or you can take free from the toilet. And this is cup. Cup just 2,000 per pieces, or just 1,000 per pieces. And this is straw. This is the stuff for your make the bubbles. And the sugar, the optional things for make the bubbles. It makes your bubbles strength than another bubbles. And this is spoon for mix and combine the ingredients. Okay, the first step is how to say it? Put your soap to the cup. It's just like you can adjust with what you want, and you can take like 1 spoon sugar to the another cup and take the water to the glass. Mix the sugar until the sugar mixed with the water. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It's my mistake. After this, take the water of sugar to the shot glass. Why must put the sugar is make your bubbles strain than another bubble? Because this is optional, guys. If you want to put the sugar, you can, but if you want it, just don't do that. And mix the ingredients again until the ingredient combine. No. Mix until the sugar melt to the water. Okay, this is enough, and you can make the bubbles with the straw like this one. Because the straw is not big, but it's enough for the make the bubble.
This one?
Baby, try. What? Try? You can try with the another straw.
You can try
with your hands.
But or you wanna try with your hands after this, right?
And after that, you drink.
Be slowly.
Because there is no sugar.
Yeah.
Because there is sugar, right?
Or with your hand. With your hand, like this.
It smells so good. It smells so good. Not yet.
So sweetie.
Strawberry.
Test. You want test?
No. No. Is it
Let's
really
drink.
right? It's really good.
Sweetie and salty. How?
Look at Thomas. It's really alright. Baby.
Who wanna make bubbles? Tasha.
Oh.
Tasha, try.
I want to try.
This one.
Hey, it's not good because you want to try. Do you know what this? Sasa, disclose it.
Okay, disclose it. Okay, that's all from my tutorial. You can try in your house or your boarding house because this is so cheap. And this is the easy toys you can make in your house to your children play or to your cousin play. That's all from me. Bye.
Okay, bye.